Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those watching on OneSpotMedia.com. Multi-platinum record-selling rapper Kanye West delivered a well-received 2-hour gospel concert at Emancipation Park last night. But even as patrons heap praises on the rapper, there are concerns about the inappropriate use of national emblems. We'll have that story later on, but now we're going to be moving on to what has been happening at a school in St. Thomas. An investigation is to be done at Robert Lightburn High in St. Thomas over claims that a teacher attacked 2 students. TVJ's Krista Campbell has details.
The last day of school just before the Heroes Weekend holiday break has proven to be anything but exciting for this Robert Lightburn High School student. The student's mother, who wanted to remain anonymous, explained what happened.
The teacher told him that he must move some benches or chairs, and he said he moved 3 of the chairs and him tell the teacher, "I'm not moving anymore," and him walk away. And the teacher walk him down, ask him if I'm a bad man. And the teacher drop him and box him, and him start fight. Anyway, the incident was dealt with at the school and they got 8-day suspension because it was 2 of them.
But she said it didn't end there.
The teacher drove down the bus, went to Cottage Pen and took out my child and the other child in my entourage. About 20 men. They have hammer, chisel and wrench. Beat up my son, bust up him face, lick him in him face with the hammer.
Chairman of the school board, Charles Stewart, says the incident has been reported to the Education Ministry's regional office and the matter is being handled.
Members of the board met for a briefing yesterday evening and we were made aware of the incident. And the reports were handed to us at that meeting. And we are planned to have a formal meeting of the board at 3 p.m. on Tuesday to consider the evidence and the things before us to decide where we proceed.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.